Okay, we've got our default settings and company set up. We have an audit scheduled. We have finished the property information, the audit prep. I can do one more thing before I head out to the field, and I can get ready for irrigation. We already saw that they have high seasonal irrigation use, so I'm gonna get prepared for that in case I get that opportunity. So what I'm gonna do is go to outside, select my arrow. I'm gonna add night's outside use, and that's gonna be irrigation. There'll be an update soon where you have irrigation smart controller manual. Right now they're combined. So I'm going to name and you can do this in the field also. Sometimes I like to prep. So what I've done is I've taken a look at their property since I know where it is. And in Google Earth Pro, I went ahead and measured their landscape. It's just a rough estimate. We're just trying to get ballparks here. So I have my grass area and my turf. So I can look for grass in measurements here, and I can see, okay, I'm about 1,200 square feet of grass, and my turf is about 2,600. Okay, sounds good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put, let me say 1,200, 1,000 or 12,000 square feet of grass. My planted area was 2,600. I haven't been out there, but I'm gonna estimate based on the image. My plant density is about 50%. I can always adjust it when I get there. My plant crop coefficients, again, 90% of what I see is the same. If I want to change it when I get out there, I can. That's where that is. Okay, so let's go ahead and check with our water budget. Okay, so now we see that we have an estimate of what we should be using each month. So basically peak summer, July, we're going to be expected to use about 60,000 gallons a month. But if you remember from our water use, in July, we're looking at about 95,000, sometimes even higher, 160,000. So right away, I think we're going to be able to help them with overwatering. And we have this information we did before we go, so we are ready to share that information with them. I could even go ahead and poke in some, go ahead and put in some information here. And so for example, July, what did we see? So let's do July of the year before. So 95,000, 160,000. So let's say we put in last year's 95,000. Okay, so I need about 60, I have 95. So right away, it's going to update this water budget graph. So the blue is what I need, and the brown is what I'm actually using. So right off the bat, it's a great visual for them, but we're going to go ahead and see what's going on when we get out there and make sure that this is all true and correct. So we're set up. Now we're ready to go to the site, see what the actual water use is, look for leaks, figure out what's going on for them. So we're going to transition over to our mobile app, and I'll see you in the field.